Okay, so I finally get to give you some driving impressions. The weather hasn't been great. Been busy with a few things, so just haven't gotten around to it. Apologize for that. For all those who are really saying, okay, that's great, you did all the work on the car. Now, how do you like it? And I tell you what, I absolutely love it. It's incredible power, like I said before. I mean, it's effortless. The torque curve is as flat can be. It just keeps pulling and pulling and pulling. The one thing that I know that I need for sure is new tires. The run flats that are on it, they're just not the best. And honestly, they kind of feel a little dangerous sometimes. Just because I'm doing 58 right now, and I bet you if I throw it in the third gear and hammer it, I'll blow the tires off the car. So they're just not good. And like they say, a lot's riding on your tires, and they're not kidding. So, but I've been really enjoying the car. The camshaft is just right. There's a tiny, tiny, tiny amount of surging or bucking. Just like, you can't even really call it that. It's almost just like a slight chug that it speeds under 10 miles per hour. So you got to kind of be delicate with the throttle and maybe work the clutch just a little bit. But it's nothing that anybody who knows how to drive a stick with any reasonable amount of skill is going to have a problem with. So it's the best choice that I made. I know a lot of people said I should have gone bigger with the camshaft, and maybe they're right, and maybe I will someday, but for right now, this is a great driving camshaft. This is a wonderful car. I'm really glad I got it. I can't believe that a car that's this old, which, you know, it's going on 9 years old now, is still as powerful as what it is and performs the way that it does. It still holds a candle to a lot of the cars that cost twice as much. So there you have it. As you can see right over my shoulder right there, I got the GoPro camera, so I'm going to give you some footage of me just driving around normally. You're not going to see me driving crazy. As much as I'd like to, got to get this car to the track is what I got to do. This little ride that you took with me. I got plenty more coming. I got to get this car to the track, but not until I get some tires on it. Can't say anything good about them. I got to be honest with you. So maybe I'll call up my friends at Nitto and see what they got going on for me. So until then, boom, make sure you subscribe right there. Check out my next videos coming up. I know I promised some appearance videos, so those should be next. Gonna have those out in just a couple of days. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks for riding with me.